Hi guys, how's it going? Good morning to you all. Hope everybody dey good. Yeah, let's get to the matter. Yeah, today I want to teach you guys how to build a fan base, a strong and loyal fan base. Because I already taught now how to make song, produce song and mix song. So it's time to teach you how to grow fan base. I taught now to distribute your song to all platforms. It's time to go like a real fan base. It's just the time to make it. She get. So first, if you want to grow a fan base, you have to think about yourself as an artist. You have to think about yourself because like you have a favorite artist like some people dey like Whiskey, Davido. Think about like the reason why you like them. Which reason make you like the Davido music, the Whiskey? Wetin be the reason wey make you like their music? Think about am. Wetin be the reason wey make you be their fans before you fit get your own fans? Reason wey make me dey like those men music, make me dey like artist wey I like. Reason wey make I dey attached to that na because say I think say I know am personally. You have to show your fans like no be say you dey show people. You want to dey post for TikTok, Instagram, everywhere. Always let people think say like they don know your story, they don know you. Like carry dey talk your story, dey let them in on wetin you dey do. Remember say dem know you. Like once you all post song, they ask questions, they reply to comment sections, all those stuff. Okay, that one na just my opinion. Let me show now Chat GPT opinion about growing a fan base. But my own opinion personally be say think of wetin make you like your favorite artist before you fit get your own fans to like you as an artist. You get, you think say you know them na make you like them. Like for example, I no dey argue with you and they no matter for you now. But see Whiskey wey get house for so place, Whiskey wey e get family, they know them, they no even know that where they stay. See so they know them. Na dem Whiskey let them know them. So I mean therefore they are attached to them. So let your fans in on wetin dey go on in your life. Make them feel connected, make them feel seen always. You see am say you go dey get improvement. No, na small small, step by step. Okay, let us go AI. Let's see what Chat GPT will say about it. Okay. Yeah, let's talk about Chat GPT. You get me? So how can I build a loyal fan base as an artist? That's the question, right? Let's see Chat GPT opinion about it. Pay attention if you really serious about your music stuff. You get me? They say building a loyal fan base through strategy, consistency, and personality, especially as an Afrobeat artist like me. Like they know me, Chat GPT know me, but I not popular so much. You get? They say build your identity, brand, and who and fans follow who you are. Fans go always follow you, not your music. Not always your music make fans go follow you. If you find you no get fan base. So build your personality, make fans dey see you, dey follow you. Okay, your symbol. My symbol na that my spider, na my symbol. My symbol na my spider. You get me? My symbol na my spider. Shape you want to use. You can use anything, your color, favorite color. They let them know your color, your animal, your favorite animal, your symbol, those stuff. It's good. And people connect to your story, your vibe, you usually vibe and stuff, you go give fans more. People connect to real story always. People always connect to your story. You get me? Where you are from, with the reason why they make music. Let them know the reason why they make music. Very important. Okay, you always use you want to don find your symbol finally. Always use your symbol on like once you don post music, you don put your symbol for them. Make them see your symbol every time. In case they see that animal for anywhere or that color anywhere, never your matter. You get symbol is very important, very very important. Never misuse it. You get me? This gifts wey God give you, so never misuse it. Right? You fit be the next Afrobeat star, bro. Keep on going. Yeah, let's go number 2. Drop consistent content. You don't need to drop song every week, but you must show up online every week. How many of you understand that? You don't need to drop song every week, but show up online every week. For me, I drop song like once a month. They say you don't need to drop song every week, but drop content every week. Post your studio clip, freestyle video, the way you make your song and stuff. Lifestyle video, wey dey live your life, dey let them in on your life. How many say dem know you personally? Your creative process, skills with music, dance challenge. Always do some dance challenges. You know say no join us, no say you do something with your life. But they want in with your life. You get me? See your sound. You know, say they know your name, they'll feel like now you dey sing, but my name is Gino my artist name. So they'll feel like now you dey sing. I say no be like no be Gino dey sing so. You get your unique sound, the way to the start song, the way your sound, the way to start, like you come out team. I mean, if you call, if you call anything, you get me now, you know to your call for your own to make them know your sound. See, engage with fans, very important. People support artists that make them feel seen. She gets to first of all, tell you now. Once people dey comment, say comment, reply comment, like people repost, respond to DM, short replies, shout out to fans on your Instagram story, any story, TikTok story or stuff. Go live at least once a week, live video. A fan that interacts with you once become 5 times more likely to stay. Once they see you, they like that comment. Like for my own personal fan without the build more on TikTok. So when guys they comment my video, they show interest and they like that comment, they reply them, they answer questions. Those men are any song I job, they always do their first to play am. But they see they know me. We never see, but they feel like say they know me now. I be that guy. She gets to they say they know me. So anyway, they also say get one of my guys they play about TikTok. They say they know me. Now make my name dey go far. I make I feel BYB today. She yeah, always put that for your man. Put that for your man. They share your lifestyle video online. They share things. They try to comment. They be like say fans know you well. She gets fan name. That's why I create the Spider Nation on my name. One challenge, use your song, ask fans to duet your video, yes. Let fans vote on your cover art. Once you drop song, now you get two cover art you like. If you put song, say, like which one you want, which one they like what you use for this your particular song. I know say you people no care about you, but if it's hard for those things, because I say if like 1, 2, 3 people go don dey show interest, 4 people go don dey show interest. Like you put that in and 2 people go see now this one will like pass, next time will like pass. So you don't get 3D fans now. So once you got the song, they must go check the song, go there, vote on the cover art. See so now so it dey grow fan base step by step. You know they see the intelligence. So yeah, you say people love being part of something. Shey you get me? Say collab help you borrow fan base from other artists. When you collaborate with other artists, like with us just say get their own small fan, people just know their name small. You can't get extra fan base, but their own fan because you know you, they just check your own stuff art. Always do collaboration with upcoming artists, producers, dancers, influencers, especially on TikTok. See you hear me so. Upcoming artists, producers, dancers, influencers, especially on TikTok. Even one viral challenge, you can grow your fan base fast. Fast. Okay, see number 7, say perform everywhere you can. Perform at local show, club, dey come outside go dey perform, very important. Campus events if you dey school, radio stuff wey dem dey host, open mic, TikTok live session. If you type of TikTok live session, very important to get a record deal. Real life energy, build loyal fan base fast. Real life energy, make dem see am say this guy get energy. You no understand, but pay at ten tion. Number 8, say use your music release strategy. Every release should come with teaser video, sample, a challenge, influencer marketing, behind the scene content, consis ten t posting before and after release. Before you release song, dey post video about the song, make people don already. No say what people hear song 5 times, they don dey count for their head small small. For real once you hear song 5 times, like you hear song 5 times, the way you got it like, oh, this is not feel like sound. The way the song got it dey your head there, you can't dey play for you. You feel talk one of the song line. First now you don't go back to the song, go hear the song fully. Don't forget content very important. Because say last one button they say be patient. Loyal fan base take time. Going viral is easy, but building loyalty is different. Loyal fans come from connection, consis ten cy, authority, improvement. If you stay consistent for 6 to 12 months, you make it. You see am so. They say now they say be patient. They say be patient. Loyalty take time. Going viral is easy. Building loyalty is different. if you get one viral video about your song, people will go play that song. If they play that song, they'll play the next song. Don't put down, they'll play. Let them play that one. Once the song is played, don't move on. Don't be your fans again. And so people don't go viral. They never get followers. And someone get the winner, they never get followers. But your song got to go viral for some reason. Now pay themselves stuff. But fan base, like fans, your fans, the difference, it take time. If you start now, next 12 months, 1 year, next 1 year, you see improvements. Once you post song, you dey like 20 views instantly, 50 views instantly, 100 views instantly. Before you see 100,000, because you get people. But first, start with 2 people, 3 people, 4 people, 5 people. Small, you make it. You don't start to make am. If you make am like that. So, don't forget to subscribe, like. I don't know if I tell you since but subscribe, like if what the video reach this part. Like, yeah, put me forward, you get me? Peace out. Stay blessed, bro.